guys, today we're going to be talking about a new subject called using the powers of 10. And it's kind of easy because all we're really doing is moving the decimal. Okay, but you have to determine which way we're going to move it based on which operations presented. If we're multiplying two numbers and one of them includes a power of 10, we're moving to the right. Multiply, move your decimal to the right. If we're dividing two numbers and one has a power of 10, we're going to be moving the decimal to the left. That doesn't make a lot of sense, but it will. Hold on. All right, so let's try the multiplying. Okay, multiplying, remember we're moving it to the right. So we always start off with the basic fact. Let's say 5 times 100. The basic fact here is 5 times 1. So you do that. 5 times 1 is 5. Then you count your zeros. 1, 2. And you add those to the end. Okay? So what we did is we moved our decimal 2 places to the right. Where is our decimal right here? It always comes after the whole number. So there's my whole number, and we moved it 2 places to the right, and that's where your zeros came from. Let's try another one. Let's try 16 times 1,000. Okay? Where's my decimal right now? It is after the 16. It's going to be right there. How many places are we going to move it? Well, count your zeros. 1, 2, 3. And since it's multiplying, we're moving it to the right. So here's the answer. 16. And then move your decimal 3 places to the right. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? Multiplying. So you multiply the fact, you count your zeros, and then you add the same number of zeros. All right? Even if it's a double-digit number, let's take something even harder, like 318 times 10. Your basic fact is 318 times 1. There's your answer. 318. How many zeros do you add? 1 0. And then you can go back and put your comma in. That's multiplying with powers of 10. All of these right here are called powers of 10 because they end in a 0, or they have been multiplied by groups of 10. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, so that's multiplying by powers of 10. Now let me show you what happens when you divide with powers of 10. When you divide, your decimal is going to go to the left, like we just said. So if you have 16 and you're going to divide by 100, divide means go to the left. That means you take your decimal. Where's your decimal right now? It's after the 6, and you're going to move it 2 places. 1, 2. And your answer is 0.16. Okay, let's try it one more time. 3 numbers this time. Let's say we have 325. Well, let's do this. That one. 3,257. And we're going to divide by 100. Okay, that means we're moving. Divide means we're moving our decimal 2 places to the left. So here's my decimal now. We're going 2 places. There's your decimal. Go 2 places. So your answer is 32.57. When you divide, you move to the left. When you multiply, you move to the right. Okay? All right, now you're learning.